Are you ready for an exciting journey into the world of foreign languages? Yes? Then grab your dictionary, your favorite snacks, and join me as we explore the 5 fantastic reasons why you should learn a foreign language right now and how to learn one. Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host Yashasvi Singh, and without further ado, let's start. Number 1. Language superpower. Imagine having the ability to talk effortlessly in a foreign language. It's like having a real-life superpower. Ordering your favorite food in a busy local market will become a piece of cake. Number 2. Cultural connections, where you can understand and connect with people from various backgrounds. Whether you're exploring Tokyo, Paris, or just ordering tapas in Barcelona, speaking the local language opens doors to unforgettable experiences and genuine connections. Number 3. Mind expansion. Learning a new language is like a mental workout. It improves memory, problem-solving skills, and even boosts creativity. Think of it as gymnastics routine for your brain that keeps it fit and agile. Number 4. Professional advantages. In today's world, language skills are highly sought after by employers. Being bilingual or multilingual can give you a competitive edge in the job market. Number 5. Linguistic joyride. Bonjour, je m'appelle Yashasvi. Comment ça va? Discovering a new language is an exciting journey filled with aha moments and fascinating linguistic treasures. From mastering pronunciation to exploring idiomatic expressions, it's a thrilling ride that keeps you engaged and inspired. Now that you know the reasons to learn a new language, if you are going to study abroad, you need to find a good student accommodation. Say hello to hassle-free booking with Amber. No stress, no fuss. Amber Student provides student housing in all the feasible areas near the universities. For more info, visit amberstudent.com. I'm sure you all are inspired to learn a new language now. Let's dive into some practical tips on how to make the learning process effective and enjoyable. Number 1. Set your language goals. Consider short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals to give your learning structure and direction. Number 2. Learn common vocabulary. Start with the basics. Studies suggest that by learning common root words and variations, you can quickly build your language skills. Number 3. Find a style that works for you. Language learning offers a toolbox of techniques. Experiment with different methods and tools to discover what suits your learning style the best. Number 4. Practice speaking. Don't shy away from speaking. Practice with yourself, speak your new language out loud, and even record your voice. Number 5. Consume media. Immerse yourself in the language by watching TV shows, movies, listening to music, and reading in your target language. You might be wondering what could be the easiest way to learn a new language. Well, there are thousands of apps available. The most popular and preferred ones are Babbel, Lyrica, Memrise, Duolingo, and many more. So, remember, learning a new language is a journey, not a race. Take your time, set goals, and enjoy the process. It's a valuable skill that enriches both your personal and professional life. Now, you might want to watch top 10 universities in the world to study abroad. You can find the link in the description below. Well, if this video was helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more such informational videos. You can also hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Until next time, happy language learning. Hasta la vista.